name from table name, limit number. For example, select all information or data from person table, limit to 5. For example, you have 10 records in your table. Tapos, inutusan mo yung SQL na kunin niya lahat ng information o data mula sa person's table. Pero ililimit mo lang siya sa 5. From 10 records, the first 5 records, yun lang yung lalabas. Do you understand? Yes. The first 5 records lang yung lalabas. Now, in Oracle system, select all names from table name where row number is less than or equal to a specific number. Okay. Select all information from persons where row number is less than or equal to 5. For example, you have 10 records. Sabi mo, kunin mo lahat ng information o data mula sa person's table na kung saan ang row number ay less than or equal to 5. So what do you think will be the result? 5 pa rin. Equal to 5, di ba? Do you understand? Kasi meron kayong 10 records eh. Wala naman kayong record sa 5 na records. So, 5 pa rin yung lalabas na. Do you understand? Yes. Any question? Now, let's go to SQL top clause. Kanina gamit natin limit at saka row number, di ba? Ngayon, balik tayo dito sa top clause. From this given person table, how many records or how many information do we have? 4, di ba? 4 yung ating records. We want to select only the 2 first records. Yung unang 2 records, yun yung unang natin kukunin. We use the following syntax for statement. Under top clause, select space top 2 all information or data from person table. So what will be the result?